Hello everyone, this is Ed Weideman from MarineMax in Columbia, and 803-732-1104, and we're going to take a quick walk around the NauticStar 223 dual console sport deck boat. And we'll start here at the bow. You can see there's a front boarding ladder, great big conversation seating in the front, very comfortable. A spot for the cooler underneath, which is very easy to reach in and grab a cold drink without having to move the cooler out from its spot. And we'll go around to the helm of the boat, and it's equipped with a stereo and a Simrad chart plotter, bolstered captain's chair, a storage area or head if you'd like to put a porta potty inside there, and I'll take you through there in just a moment, and the wraparound seating in the back as well. Bimini top, and this particular boat is powered by a 150 horsepower Yamaha outboard. There's sea deck along the swim platform and a rear stern ladder as we walk up. This again also has the rear entry where you can lift the cushion up so you don't have to put feet on your beautiful upholstery when you get on board. There's your ladder or your table mount. There's plenty of cup holders to go around. A small sink to wash your hands. And inside is our storage area or head. This boat also has a center ski locker, and your speakers mounted forward so you can hear them as you're moving through the water. A divider door for those cooler days. You can close the windshield and bring this door across and get yourself out of the wind a little bit. With that door closed, if you'd like to see this or any other one of our NauticStar boats here at MarineMax in Columbia, you can give us a call here at 803-732-1104. Thank you.